Hello, everyone. I'm glad to present our solution for the Lost in Identity Hackathon. So our solution is called PI, Personal Identity Exposed. So in our team, we have two members. That's me, Santiago Rocha. I am the cyber threat intelligence analyst, and I'm working as a backend for the project. And my friend is a senior DevOps and front-end developer for this project. And so we have, first of all, the problems that we identified and the challenge identified, because we have the Vilnius City Municipality Challenge, which studies the different links and connections between data leaks and APIs, and if it's possible to use this open data for a bad reason. So the main problems that we identify is the exponential growth in the use of the internet to get access to different assets, collect confidential and personal information, but the most important problem is that an alarming amount of personal information is open and available to anyone who has minimum knowledge about open source intelligent techniques. So our solution is an automated software which uses open source intelligence techniques and retrieves information about about the user, and will show different actions at the end to take into account to improve our exposure on the internet. So our solution has four features. So first of all, the search engines will take a look at first of the most common search engines, liquid credentials, that shows some information about liquid credentials, also privacy and anonymity. So this is referred for the social network. And we'll take a look at the deep and the dark web. So if you have any presence on that network. So for the future work, we would like to implement other digital identity like passport identity, like biometrics. Also for monetization, we're planning to present to companies an option just to study their exposure on the internet as a company, getting also results using an API and implementing a GDPR compliance. So I will show a small demo of our application. This is the main land page. I will type my own email. It will retrieve all the information. So for first of all, we have the liquid credentials. I have 32 records available on the internet. Also, I have the last discovered leak was 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. This is the search engine, and this is the result because we have, for example, my email is shown one page. This is an exact result. And of course, because, for example, I studied in Russia and then I remember this thing. So that's that's an important thing that the cyber criminal can know. About the privacy and anonymity, this is the presence of my password of my email on some social networks. About the deep and dark web, so they tell me that I have presence on the Tor network. This will not show more information because of the GDPR compliance, so we don't want to show exactly the source of the information. And then I can see that my exposure in a scale from 0 to 100 is an 80%. So then we have some information, relevant information about my email. So the reputation is used to suspicious is the email, malicious activity, and finally we will have some tips and actions to prevent being your identity to be stolen. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you like this project.